The St. Jude Hospital Reconstruction Project is about to enter a new but significant phase. Over the next coming days, the project will be officially handed over to the Ministry of Health. This is a significant development. During our latest visit on Wednesday, we observed the focus of the construction crew had shifted, largely from the buildings to the grounds of the St. Jude Hospital. The roads were being paved, the car parks being cleaned, with the last-minute brushing up of selected spots with coats of paint. The liaison officer of the St. Jude Hospital Reconstruction Project, Silas Wilson, says the administrative staff will be among the first to move from the George Odlum Stadium to the St. Jude Hospital at Auger.
As of tomorrow, the 13th of November, staff are going to be operating. The admin staff, human resource, finance, some of them are going to be operating from this site here. Later this week, we believe, if not by tomorrow, but the latest Friday, the laundry staff should also be coming across here at the new site of the hospital at Auger, from where the laundry operations will be conducted.
According to Wilson, other services will soon be transferred from the stadium to the St. Jude Hospital site at Auger.
The plan is also sometime next week, around the 20th of November, that the kitchen operations should also commence from the site here at Auger, as well as one of the outpatient services, physiotherapy as well. The staff at St. Jude's have been very integral in the preparation for those maneuvers. Of course, a hospital never really opens up by every single component of it moving at once. There are some services that are easier to move, and we are prepared at this time here at the Auger site to begin to accommodate those services being offered from that site here. So we are very happy to report that those 4 services imminently will be provided from the St. Jude site at Auger.
Dennis Lovins is a supervisor on the St. Jude Hospital Reconstruction Project. He reflected on his years of work on this site.
I did a lot of work here. I did physio, dialysis. I did all the painting, as you can see, all around. Yeah. Okay.
You also played a supervisory role as well?
Yeah, especially in the painting.
Okay.
All the different colors, the designs you get on the wall. Playroom, physio. I did all the drawings myself.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
All right. So, and is everything ready now?
Well, to me, 98% ready.
Okay.
98, yeah.
Okay. And how soon do you think it's going to be 100?
Maybe by next week, hopefully.
The relocation from the George Odlum Stadium to the St. Jude Hospital at Auger is being undertaken on an incremental basis, step by step. First administration, then the kitchen and laundry services, followed by outpatient services such as physiotherapy. We caught up with Richard Bryan, one of the longest-serving staff members at the St. Jude Hospital. He says he and his subordinates have been trained in the use of the laundry equipment installed at the hospital.
Well, I must admit, what we have in the laundry right now, there's nothing I have seen on the island that can compare with it. And I'm very, very impressed with the work done to the laundry, and my team. Presently, we are ready to move. Although there are a few hiccups, but we're prepared to see how we could work along with it. Because presently, we do not have a laundry in the stadium. And we would love to see that we come up here and continue doing what we do the best, doing for patients.
The St. Jude Hospital reconstruction site will soon be done and dusted. What this means is that the contractor, his equipment and personnel will be clearing the site, paving the way for the arrival of the final bits of medical equipment, which will be tried and tested in preparation for the arrival of patients. Stanley Lucian reporting for the HTS News Force.